This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your nickname on your Nintendo Switch. So if you look in the upper left side of the screen, it's saying Timbo's page, Rose's page, Jim's page right here. So you can change your nickname if you select your icon, and then it's going to bring you to your profile page. So go up in the upper left, then go on over. You can change your icon under here too. So I changed mine from Donkey Kong to Yoshi, and I can easily change this back to let's go to this Donkey Kong, and then you can change the background, and then go to OK. But we can do the name under here as well. So mine says Timbo, and then we can put like Slice or something. I don't think we have enough characters for that. So Timbo S, and then go to OK, and it will be applied right away. And you can see your play activity too, how long you played each game on your Nintendo Switch. So my most played game is Super Smash Bros. With about 5 hours or more right here. And you can scroll through this list to see every game. So even YouTube. I've watched YouTube for about 5 hours on here. I used to watch that when I was cleaning dishes. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.